We have a hummingbird visitor. Here we are at InfiniTea farm. This is 1/8 of an acre of no-till perennial herbs. So we have medicinal herbs that come back every year, like our wonderful bee balm Monarda fistulosa. This is a wonderful oregano tasting plant, helps with colds and coughs, as well as anxiety. I use this in a lot of different tea blends. He's enjoying the bee balm Monarda, getting the pollen and the nectar. Also known as wild bergamot. And as you can see, it's beautiful. This is a 3rd year plant, so it's about 3 to 4 feet tall. At parts it gets up to 5 feet tall. Huge fan of the pollinators. Each little leaf is a oregano taste. You can also eat the flowers, substitute for oregano. We can see a lot of pollinators on the bee balm. Not to be confused with bee plant, which grows locally that looks similar. Bee plant is not edible but is used for ceramic purposes. But this is bee balm. Monarda fistulosa is the botanical name. And this one I've been growing for 3 years here at the farm park, and I use it in all kinds of tea blends for colds and anxiety, as well as it's good in like soups and stews. We have some over there as well. Over here we have echinacea. Usually the root is used for different teas that help with the immune system. Echinacea, usually it's the root that's used. I also use the leaves and the flowers to make medicines. We have caraway, we grow lovage or osha, as well as anise hyssop augustaceae, which is a wonderful herb in the mint family that has a licorice taste. Also known as licorice mint. Super beautiful. The bees and pollinators are also a big fan. And sunchokes. Everything is no-till, using organic practices, local compost as fertilizer, never using any pesticides. And all of our herbs are edible. We specialize in fresh herbs as well during June, July, and August. And the rest of the year you can find our products in different botanical herbal blends. Peppermint. We have clary sage, which is a lovely medicinal herb used in teas and medicines. Lemon balm. Sunchokes in the background. Got some squash. And this is some 1st year caraway. Caraway is a great herb, usually spiced in breads, sausages. Strawberries. This parsnip for seed here. Got some parsnip seeds. Also have a lovely large catnip with the white flowers there. So this is 2024 season. I've been on this no-till plot here for 3 years now. So it's amazing what you can do in just 3 years.